Yes, children, today we will start with the chapter Exponent and Power. And in this chapter, let us start with, now if we write the number like this, you must have observed the numbers like this. What does this mean? This means that A is multiplied to itself how many times? N times. Okay. A is multiplied to itself n times, and here A is called as the base and n is called as the exponent, or you can call it as power also. The lower one is called as the base and this is called as the exponent or power. Now mathematically, one example I will take. Suppose it is written 10 to the power 4. Okay. So 10 is multiplied to itself how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 10 is called as the base will be 10 and power will be 4. Okay. And this is read as A raised to the power n. 10 raised to the power 4. This is read as A raised to the power n and 10 raised to the power 4. And we may also call it that if this is written 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 10 to the power 4 is the exponential form of this. This is called as the exponential form of this. Okay. Now if suppose it is n becomes 2, so this will be written as a to the power 2. This is called as a square. Okay, some specific names are also given. This is called as a square. Now if it is a to the power 3, then a is multiplied to itself 3 times and this is called as a cubed. This is called as a cube. This is called as a square and a cube, and further we read them as a raised to the power 4, a raised to the power 5 and so on. Okay. Now let us solve the related problems. Okay children. So let us take certain examples. Suppose you have to find the value of 9 to the power 3. That means you have to multiply 9 to itself how many times? 3 times. Now 9 9s are 81, 9s are 729 is the answer. Okay. See the second example. Now suppose it is written 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7 and you have to write this in exponential form. Exponential form means power form. So 5 is repeated how many times? Multiplied to itself how many times? 2 times. So 5 raised to the power 2. Multiplied by 7 multiplied to itself how many times? 3 times. So 7 raised to the power 3. So the answer is 5 raised to the power 2 and 7 raised to the power 3. Now see the third example. You have to write 512 in exponential form. You have to write 512 in exponential form. Now when you have to write in exponential form, we prime factorize, then only we can get these prime factors and we can write in exponential form. First we need to convert 512 in this form and then we can write in this form. So let us do 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Okay. 2 8s are 16. Right. Now from here 8 is there. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 512, how many times 2 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 2 raised to the power 9 is the answer. This is how we do. Okay. Now the next example. You have to identify the greater number out of 4 raised to the power 3 or 3 raised to the power 4. You have to tell which is greater. Okay, so you will simply open them and tell. So 4 raised to the power 3 is 4 into 4 into 4, and this is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. Okay, so 64 is greater or 81 is greater? 64 is less than 81, therefore 4 raised to the power 3 is less than 3 raised to the power 4. This is how you will do this sum. Okay, then you have to simplify. See the next question. You have to simplify. See the question. 2 raised to the power 3 into 5. Now 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, isn't it? 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 into 5, and 8 5s is 40. 8 5s is 40. Okay, this is how you will do, right? Now the next example. Example number 6. Minus 3 into minus 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, now if the numbers are having signs, so this is minus 3. Now minus 2 raised to the power 3. So this becomes minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, children. Now this is minus 3. Now 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Okay, and minus odd number of times, 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. You will get the minus in multiplication. So this will be minus into minus plus, and 8 3s is 24. Okay, so keep in mind the signs also, keep in mind the integers also, and then your answer will never go wrong. Okay, the next example. Compare 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 and 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Children, in such sums, our aim should be to convert the numbers into same powers, right? So the lesser power you cannot make it more, the more one you can equate it to this. So let us do. So we can write 2.7 and 10 to the power 4 split from this. This will become 10 to the power 8. 8 and 4 is 12, so we have splitted this. Or 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Now this, let us keep 10 to the power 8 separately. Now if we multiply 2.7 by 10 to the power 4, 1 0 will cancel the decimal and 3 zeros. 27,000. Or 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Now this part is equal 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 8. So we need to compare only this, and it is very obvious that 27,000 is greater or 1.5 is greater. 27,000 is greater. So this whole number is greater than the other one. Okay, greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. So 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. The final answer is always written in the form whichever is asked. Right? Thank you, children.